So this hose blew. Gotta snake it all the way under. Take care of all this clamps, nuts, bolts. From here, here, all the way back right there. To get that hose out. Hopefully I don't have any more hydraulic fluid on me, which I don't, so I'm good there. This time I use that. There it is. Looks like a king cobra. It's where she blew, right there. And then I see her here. Here's your sight glass for the hydraulics. And I think the drain plug's on the underneath on this side. That's the next thing I'm gonna have to do. Just take out this hydraulic bucket there and probably find it back in there. Anyway, so what I've been doing past 20 minutes. About the hose to get her off. Got her off. Hopefully tomorrow he can get another hose. And then I think you have to have 4 hydraulic buckets, full ones, to refill this hydraulic system. Because he was telling me when he starts it, you know, trying to lift this loader bucket up, it would do this, start rocking back and forth. So I told him, I have to replace the hydraulic fluid in it, as well as the filter. And that was old Case 80K. Been through a lot, I can tell. Anyway, have a good day.